Hello, what is your name?
My name is Kanchaman.
Kanchaman, how old are you?
32 years old.
Married?
Yes.
How many children do you have?
One
One daughter or boy?
boy.
Okay, so have you been into any other countries before?
Yes, ma'am.
Which country?
Malaysia.
How many years?
5 years, ma'am.
5 years. In what work?
Yeah, company, API company, plumber.
You were a plumber?
Yeah.
Now in Romania, in what work would you like to go?
Yeah, ma'am.
In Romania, what work would you like to do?
Yeah, 2 years, ma'am.
No. What work? के काम का लागि? Romania में.
Construction.
Construction worker? Okay, so how many years would you like to stay in Romania?
2 years contact.
Okay.
IC, 2 years contact, finish the IC, another.
Okay. So, what is your education level?
5 plus.
Okay, you are 5 class pass. Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much.
Welcome.